Welcome to Deutsch, Liebe. Today we would be understanding greetings, which is called Begrüßung in German language. So let's begin. Bitte is no mention, please or pardon. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Nachmittag is good afternoon. Guten Abend is good evening. Gute Nacht is good night. Guten Tag is hello. Vielen Dank is thanks a lot. Or instead of vielen Dank, you can also say Danke, which is thanks. Es tut mir leid. I am sorry. Tschüss is bye. These were greetings. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Deutsch Liebe. Thank you so much for watching.